The only time I really work in the rain is when I'm already at the site, you know, or at the property or whatever that I'm already taking care of. That's the only time I really work in the rain. Like if I'm going to a property, I'm not gonna work in the rain, you know, because it's dangerous for one, especially cutting grass is dangerous, you know, and two, it'll mess up the grass and everything. Especially, well, it don't even matter what size mower you got, a heavy mower, light mower, whatever, it'll still mess up because for one, the grass is packed down. It's packed down so much that, you know, it's it'll mess it up. But anyway, I'm about to get going. About to get out of here and head home. Hopefully this neighborhood is not flooded, because normally, you know, then for some reason this neighborhood is close to water level, you know, so some parts get flooded. So hopefully it don't flood on me. You know, hear that beeping, I don't have my seatbelt on. But yeah, about to get out of here. Some beautiful homes, but it's a reason why I think a lot of these homes are for sale. Maybe, well, there's a couple of reasons. Economy, maybe, bad economy, you know. Two, just getting into this neighborhood is a task on its own, you know, because of the flood, like I said. Yeah, I'm listening to the radio. These kids out here waiting on the bus. But yeah, it's and it's very hilly too, as you can see. But the reason why I'm still recording, because I want you to see the water level that I was talking about, like how close to the ground it is to get into, you know, this whole little island neighborhood. Because the name of this neighborhood / island is called Bay Island. You know, it's a little tiny island. They got a whole bunch of houses on it. You know, so let me show you. Windows fogging up and everything. So slow down a bit. Should be coming up. Just take a cruise with me. That's all you doing. Taking a drive with me in the rain. Yeah. There goes a school bus. I guess that's for them kids that were standing outside. No, that probably won't have a problem going through a flood. And how high off the ground it is. Let's see. That's why the property that we just left, the owner, he has several trucks, high grade trucks, you know, they like way off the ground. Alright, this spot right here that gets flooded. Let's see, another one about to come up. Right. Another spot right here that gets flooded. And I think it's two more. Yep, this one right here gets flooded. And where's the last one? I think that was the last one. Nah, they go to the last one right here. Nope. Yeah, here you go. This spot right here gets flooded as well too. So yeah, it floods real bad out here, you know. I think that's probably, like I said, that's another reason why a lot of houses over here is like foreclosed or for sale or whatever. Well, not foreclosed, but for sale because of that, you know, the rain. See, Broad Island, Broad Island. try to say that fast. But anyway, comment, subscribe. Maybe I'll record tomorrow if it don't rain. Hopefully it don't rain. You know, hopefully it start raining tonight so I can get it done, so I don't be behind, because I'm already behind. I got some lawns that I'm supposed to cut today, but man, it's supposed to rain all day long, non-stop, and sometimes heavy. That I gotta postpone everything for tomorrow, and tomorrow's gonna be a real busy day then. But anyway, like I said, comment, subscribe. See you later.